Well, I do have quite a quandary on my hands. Bruh, listen, man. It's your boy Money Mac coming back to you again from the set. Bruh, you already know what we do here, man. We got another pair of shoes in today. We're going to take a look at those. But again, I am quite lost. Not really. What we got, man? We got the Jordan 2-3 Hybrid in today, and I think hybrid is another spin on mix up, mash up, whatever you want to call it. Fusion is they taking one thing and taking the other and they fusing it together, right? Jordan Brand be playing these games with words. It's still a fusion in my eyes, but is this the fusion that we all hope for if we are a Jordan 2 fan? Is this what it should have been? I don't know, man. Let's get at it. Now, let's take a look at what we have for the box tag here. It comes in this nice Jordan 2 box. They kind of switched it up a little bit though. They did the smart thing there. They put the elephant print on the box too to signify that this is kind of a mashup. But unlike the Jordan 2 box, we don't have the Wings logo on the top. We have the Jumpman. And let's read what the box tag says. We got this joint in the size 12 and a half. Boy, ooh, never can find 12 and a half. That should let you know something right there. If I got a 12 and a half in these, ain't nobody buying these. But it's all good though, because I'm cool. I didn't have to go up a whole size to get that 13. Let's see, this box tag reads white varsity red sale. Jordan 2-3. Again, we taking shoes and we mashing them up, bruh. Let's get this box open, man. The traditional Jordan stuff, man. Yeah, stamping the inside of the box here. Oh, they see. It just got the 23 paper on there. Or 2-3. Let's get them out, bruh. Yeah. Is this what we wanted in the Jordan 2, bruh? Is it really what we wanted? Jordan 2 top and the Jordan 3 out and midsole. Is that what we really wanted? I don't know. I can see y'all through the air bubble though. That lets you know we got some Jordan 3 action going on here. And just for reference, we're gonna take this here is the Jordan 2, right? This is the Jordan 3. Take a look at the outsole and the midsole. Yeah, we done mashed them up, bruh, and put it all in one. Except this time we actually got it in a low. I don't know, man. I am still a bit impartial when it comes to this sneaker. Let's get these joints out of the box. We don't care about boxes around here anyway. Yeah. So we still have the traditional Jordan 2 upper here. We got the reptile print here. And we got some rather stiff leather here, but that goes hand in hand with all the other Jordan 2 releases that we've been getting recently. So there's nothing new to see here, but that's when all the fun stops or begins. There we go. This is where all the fun begins, bro, because on here on this outsole, man, and this midsole here, we just basically got straight Jordan 2 vibes. I'm talking about all the way from the toe box area all the way around, bro. And again, the outsole is a Jordan 3 outsole. Bruh, I am torn. Like I don't know. I did a video about this before. I had reservations. I really did. I had reservations on this shoe. And quite honestly, I still do have reservations on this shoe just because of what it is. This is monumental for me. I've never bought a Fusion. I've never had a pair of Spizikes. I've never had any of those sneakers. Why? Because I don't know. I guess I wouldn't say old school because there's some OGs out there who really like those mashups. I just ain't never been one for it. I ain't knocking it. Obviously not, because I just bought these. But yeah, for the most part, I'm still in that area of, are we, all right, we gonna keep these. Let's be honest. I ain't capping, no front, no none of that. Oh, we not gonna keep these. No, I'm keeping these. Why? Because I already got them at a discounted price. Now, the shoe retail for $160. And you probably think I'm lying if I told you I spent $100 on these. Straight up. $100. So it's $119 out the door with tax and shipping from Oneness Boutique. They had a sale going on. I had shop cash. I plugged everything in. It came up to $100 and I was like, bet money. $60 off, man, stop playing with me. I will risk that. That's cheaper than a pair of Dunks. And it's a low. And we all know Jordan 2s in the high version are heavy. They're bulky. I still love them, but I live in Florida. It's not a summertime shoe. You be feeling like you on a workout or something with some weights on your ankle because them shits is heavy. But these right here, I can definitely rock these in the summertime. Again, I am still impartial on this decision. But at the $100 price point I paid for these, bro, I can't be mad at these at all. But that question does loom, though. Does this fall in that category of mashups or fusions or whatever you want to call them? Now, Jordan Brand put the tag on it, hybrid. That's cool. But a lot of people have noted that the Jordan 2 would have been better if they had the 3 out and midsole on them, which that's what we have. That's exactly what we have in this shoe, man. And I don't know. I like it, I guess. You gonna go with it because you pay $100 for a pair of shoes that retail for $160. It's red and white. It's a low. I live in Florida. All the positives are there. It's just me and my brain telling me, bruh, that's a fusion. It's not. Well, maybe it is. I don't give a damn no more. I don't. I'm going strictly for comfort, and Jordan 2s were comfortable for me despite the weight and the bulk. Like snow boots or big boots or whatever they was. But this is my first pair of Jordan 2 lows, if you can call it that. So, I don't know, man. In the comment section, bro, let me know whether y'all like these or not. Because I did another video on before these came out. And I was still like, I was just asking the question whether you would rock these or do they fall in the same category. And I said all hybrids are not created equal. And I can honestly say it's not, because you can't go wrong with this 3 outsole and midsole on this sneaker in a Jordan 2 low. And it's red and white. And the only hint of branding on this sneaker, man, as far as Jordan Brand, is just like the Jordan 2 where you have the Wings logo. But they like legit, I honestly think they just snatched a whole bunch of Jordan 3 mid and outsoles and insoles and just threw a 2 on top of it. That's legit, because in the inside, you got Nike Air in there. Now, any other Jordan 2, what we got here? Let me see. I don't think got Nike Air in those too. It's the retros. But yeah, bruh, let me know what y'all think, man. Am I losing my shit, or that's just how we rock here on the set? We caught what we like because we can, bruh. I don't give a damn what nobody else think. The more I talk about it, the more I actually like it. I'm gonna wear it anyway. I'm probably gonna throw some more laces in there because I just like to be extra. So again, let me know in the comment section, man, whether these are it or they ain't. Do you still consider these in the Jordan nothing realm, or it's just Jordan 2 that they did right? Let me know down in the comment section. I'm your boy Money Matt, bro. If you haven't done so already, man, please hit that like button and hit that subscribe button and drop your boy a comment, man. Let me know what I'm doing here on the set. Let me know whether I'm trash. Let me know whether I'm good. I don't know. Just hit me in the comment section, bro. Let me know what y'all think of these, bro. I'm gonna go get on out of here. I might go put these on or something. Who knows? Throw some other laces in them or something. I don't know. I'm gonna get on out of here, man. Peace.